Hello guys, and welcome to your cryptocurrency report today. Today is Tuesday, November 6, 2018. We've seen a little tiny uptick in the Bitcoin markets today, and also XRP, for just a brief period in time, it was a number 2 coin, and it got knocked back down to number 3 again. But XRP's been doing really good. It's past 50 cents a coin, went back up again, and so it's that coin is doing particularly well. Let's start the charts and take a quick look here, shall we? Let's turn it on right here, and let's see cryptocurrency market capitalizations today. We're looking at $215 billion. So that's an uptick, because I think it was 211 yesterday. 51.6% Bitcoin dominance, and look at XRP. XRP, if Ethereum hadn't shot upwards too, XRP, just on the tip here, went down just a little bit. It was 53 cents a piece. For a brief period in time, it exceeded Ethereum's market cap. Now, Ethereum's market cap is 21.9 billion. XRP was 21 point. It must have been a little bit over 21.9 billion, but it's come back down a little bit. But they're in a fight. They're in a fight for the dominance of the number 2 position, those two coins. Bitcoin Cash is chasing hot on their heels. Litecoin is holding firm at $54.26. So it's really, the whole Bitcoin market could heat up pretty soon. It could, really. Now, if we take a look at silver prices right here real quick, we can see that silver's been languishing for a long time. That doesn't mean that silver is not a good investment. That just means that that's the time that you should buy things, is when things are down. Now, that's what silver's been doing for a long time now. Hasn't been doing much, really. Not much movement, really. It's been staying in around 1460 as an investment. But, you got to take a serious look at the cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency marketplace as an investment. I see it as a long-term investment. So these people that HODL cryptocurrencies are going to be the big winners in the end. You get people that come in and move in and try to move out real quick in the cryptocurrency market, and you can make a lot. You can make a lot of money that way, but you can also lose a lot of money that way. Let me see here. This article we're going to take a look at is, this might be the time to buy cryptos while blood is still in the streets. And the blood they're talking about is Bitcoin and all of the cryptos were up to a I think it was $750 billion market cap not that long ago. And Bitcoin was up over $20,000 each. So the blood he's talking about in the streets is the fact that Bitcoin is just holding at a support level just above the $6,000 range, where it finds a lot of support. It says the U.S. stock market fell under intense pressure during the month of October, while Bitcoin continued to hold support just above $6,000. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down over 8% from its previous all-time high during October, but is now down 5%. This is in stark contrast to Bitcoin, as the crypto asset holds steady around 6,400, above a major support of 6,000. This could be a sign that investors are using the cryptocurrency as a hedge to their portfolios, as equities continue to get hit amid a highlighted earnings season. Okay, so what we see here is investors are actually starting to take Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies seriously. It's just getting to the point now where they're starting to take them seriously. So what's happening is, right now, is cryptocurrencies are finally finding a space where they're accepted, and they're starting to move into the general investment community in general, as they're making a transition between right now they're making the transition between a speculative investment and a safe haven asset, because ultimately they will become safe haven assets, especially coins like Bitcoin, which are only ever going to go up in value because unless something really weird or drastic happens, like if the internet goes down or something like that. But, you know, you got to understand, for these people to say, oh, I'm not going to trust Bitcoin because if the internet goes down, what do you got, right? You have to realize something. If the internet goes down, we're all pretty much toast. I think the ramifications of the internet going down for any lengthy period of time, any longer than, say, a few days, the ramifications of that would be global chaos, utter chaos, just like the power grid went down. And I mean, it's for that to make that argument. Well, they're not going to buy Bitcoin because what do you got if the internet goes down? Well, if the internet goes down, you ain't got nothing anyway. You know what I mean? And so at this point, in this stage in the game, Bitcoin is becoming more of an accepted asset class. And it says Bitcoin's dominance by market cap is perhaps where we need to look to the understanding why we are holding the support and not capitulating to the much talked about $4,500 level. Looking at the percentage of the total market chart on the coinmarketcap.com, Bitcoin dominance stands at 53.74%, almost back to 60% and the highest level since December 7th, 2017, when Bitcoin was trading near all-time highs between 17,000 and 19,500. It is important to note that the correlationship between Bitcoin dominance and altcoins, many of the highly popular alternative coins, are down over 85% through October 2018. Now, this may be another contributing factor to Bitcoin's climbing market cap dominance as altcoins continue to sell off. Well, you know, I see that when the real explosion comes in the cryptocurrencies, I see that Bitcoin dominance fading back from what it is now. Basically, the biggest reason I see why Bitcoin dominance is so strong right now is it's like a man that's drowning in a pool of cold water, you know. His heat will go to the core, go to the center. And with cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the core. And so the investment money has pooled into the core right now. But later, when the market really heats up big, you're going to find that the altcoins get a trickle-down effect from the Bitcoin itself. And the altcoins are going to really pick up an awful lot when that time comes, when the explosion in price comes. In fact, I'm expecting kind of a reshuffle in the numbers of the altcoins. Which coins are going to capitulate, and which coins are going to become worth more money, and which coins are going to become worth less. I see Litecoin moving in a positive direction, moving up. Where I see Ethereum moving down. A Ripple, I could see it probably staying strong, along with Bitcoin Cash, you know, and stuff like that. But a little bit of a reshuffling, and plus, at the same time, I see Bitcoin dominance falling back down when the coins explode in value. So anyway, listen, this has been your Bitcoin report for this morning. Thank you guys for listening. Like and subscribe. There's an awful lot happening in the markets right now. Things are moving extremely fast. We got the midterm elections today, and the results are going to be, they're going to have an effect on the markets, definitely. Now, if the Republicans win, this will be a positive effect for the markets. If the Democrats win big, it'd be a very negative effect for the markets. If the Democrats win some, it'll still be a negative effect for the market. So we got to keep a very close eye on what actually happens with these midterm elections that are coming. I mean, they're right on us. We got the midterm elections right now. And anyway, listen, thank you guys for listening. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate that. And all of my viewers out there that support my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. And stay tuned, and I'll see you in the very next show, probably tomorrow. Bye-bye for now, guys.